I will be auscultating patient's lung for clarity of breath and adventitious sound. I'll start on the anterior aspect of the patient's chest below the clavicle. I'll ask the patient to take 2 deep breaths if they are able to. I will auscultate each area for 2 breath cycles. 2 breath cycles, 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 2 breath cycles. If I have a female patient, I'll ask her to lift her breast up so I can auscultate for the 4th area. 2 breath cycles, 2 breath cycles. On the posterior aspect of the patient, I will start on the upper thoracic region between the vertebrae and scapula. I'll ask the patient to take 2 deep breaths if they are able to. I will auscultate each area for 2 breath cycles down and around the scapula. 2 breath cycles, 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 2 breath cycles. I will also auscultate patient's left and right mid-axillary line. Sir, can you lift up your left arm for me? 2 breath cycles. So can you lift up your right arm for me? 2 breath cycles.